Hi beauties, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Kenzey, and as requested, which I don't know why because this pregnancy has got my face all sorts of messed up, but you guys requested a skincare routine, so jumping right on into it. The first thing I always do is go ahead and wash my hands. You always want to make sure that if you are touching your face, you are working with clean hands. After I've gone ahead and washed my hands, I'm going to go ahead, whenever I wear makeup, the first thing I do is use my Green Clean Makeup Meltaway Cleansing Balm from Farmacy. This stuff is literally undefeated. I'll never go back to using a makeup removing wipe ever again. And don't pay attention to how crusty, dusty, dirty mine is and the fact that it's like pretty much gone. But literally you take the smallest amount and this stuff melts away all of the makeup that you could think of. If you have a cake face on, that's no problem. Again, the smallest amount takes it off. And you want to work on a dry face. And I like to start with my actual face and then I work my way to my eyes. And I kid you not, this stuff takes everything off without being like super harsh and abrasive. After removing my makeup, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my cleanser of choice. And lately, I've been loving Somerville. This is the DeliKate Soothing Cleanser. And I actually just prior to this finished the cleansing milk from Somerville, which was absolutely amazing. This DeliKate Soothing Cleanser is also really good. I've been loving it lately. And with this, I'm just going to go ahead and really make sure that I'm getting in all the nooks and crannies, taking my time, of course being gentle, and just getting all of that excess dirt and makeup off of my face. Once my face is all nice and rinsed off and patted dry, I like to go in with a nice toner. And lately, this is a random one, but this Bliss Clear Genius Clarifying Toner in Serum has been so good to me. And I like to just take that on a little cotton round and swipe that all around my face to get rid of all that excess dirt or makeup that I may have missed. And I like this toner because it's alcohol free, so it doesn't leave my skin feeling super tight or dry. Once that toner is all nice and set, I like to go in with a hyaluronic serum. And this Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Serum is an absolute favorite. Oh my gosh, as you can see, mine is freaking gone. It's time for another one. I've used the heck out of it, but it's so bomb. Leaves my skin feeling so moisturized and so plump and hydrated. Love it. Definitely like a 9.5 out of 10. And the last but certainly not least, for moisturizer, I'm going to go in with this CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Lotion. It's ultra lightweight and it is the PM version, so there is no sunscreen in it. And this is an oldie but a goodie. I absolutely love this. I've been using it for a while and it just leaves my skin super moisturized but without like the greasy look or feeling. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, my skin has been going through it, so I don't know why you guys were even interested in this, but I'm glad I was able to share it with you. If you enjoyed it, definitely be sure to give it a giant thumbs up. And of course, if you aren't already, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification. That way you never miss a post. And as always, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.